Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna unbox a guitar wall hanger which I ordered from Flipkart, and today I get it as you can see here, and it's a very nice packaging from Flipkart. So let's just cut this pouch. So from this side we will cut this pouch, and you can see here, and after cutting this pouch we got something plastic wrap under this, you can see here, and in this pouch we did not get anything more. Okay, and after bubble wrap plastic you can get a wall hanger. Okay, and it's a very nice packaging. As always, Flipkart provide us. So it's a very nice packaging from Flipkart, and you can see the quality of the guitar wall hanger is very nice. The padded form is very nice, you can see here, and it's there is no any damage about it, and it's looking very nice, you can see here, and the material is used is very nice. I will show you the exact price what I paid for this. So here is the bill, and I will show you the exact price what I paid for this. You can see here. So I just paid only, you can see here, I just paid only 156 Indian rupees for this one guitar wall hanger which I ordered from Flipkart, and it's a very nice deal. So if you want to buy this product, I will give the separated link in the description below. You can buy it from Flipkart, and after installing this in the wall, you can see here some pictures of this how it's look, and how it's a very nice deal. So it's a very nice deal. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.